Hey there, GraphicsFlow users! It's time for your May art drop, and this one's stacked with premium layouts and templates to help you boost sales and crank out fresh designs fast. Whether you're gearing up for summer events or prepping for patriotic merch, we've got you covered. Let's kick things off with summer's biggest opportunities: festivals, barbecues, block parties, and concerts. These layouts are bold, energetic, and built to grab attention on tees, tanks, and totes. Perfect for local events, merch booths, or limited edition drops that sell out fast. And of course, we didn't forget the holidays. This month features layouts for 4th of July and Juneteenth, giving you on-trend, respectful, and eye-catching options for commemorative apparel and events. Family vacation season is here, and this month's drop includes designs that are great for group travel tees. For the camping, outdoors, beach, and lake crowd, we've got chill, nature-inspired artwork ready to roll. These are top sellers for gift shops, summer businesses, or any brand that thrives in the great outdoors. We've also added fresh layouts for youth ministries and retreats, with themes built around community, connection, and purpose. These designs are perfect for summer camps, mission trips, or custom orders for church groups. Next up, motocross and baseball. We're talking gritty textures, high-energy graphics, and all the adrenaline your off-road customers are looking for. Great for fan apparel, team merch, and local racing events. As always, every design is fully editable in GraphicsFlow, so you can make it yours in seconds. Use these templates to stand out, save time, and sell more this summer.